What's up, guys? Good morning. We're here in Oregon for Easter. Happy Easter to everyone watching. Now let's go say what's up to the people, man. Hey, say what's up to them. Say what's up, what's up. Well, we have made it to the store. We're at Nike. I'm with my brothers and my parents. But yeah, we're here. We're about to get new shoes or whatever. Y'all come with us. We're here in Oregon for Easter. So happy Easter to everyone watching. Yeah, we'll see you guys inside.
We'll just walk Inston's going to. Are you guys? Where's mom? She went in here? Huh? Where's mommy? Did she go to the North Face? Alright, good morning, guys. Now we're at the. What do you call this place? The Outlet Mall here in Salem. Me and my son, my baby, we're just gonna take a long stroll down this beautiful Salem place. Yatik Maviyaraya? What's it like? Okay. Mars, did you shower? That's too big. Good? No, that's good.
I mean, with the crisp protectors. Oh.
Elston is struggling. Elston is struggling. He's struggling because he couldn't find his size. My baby can't find anything in his size. Mars, this might just fit on you.
Sure.
Yeah? Or Marlon, this might just fit on you. Huh?
They want me to get roasted by the whole world.
Look, let me see.
Larger accepted. Like this one.
Do you have your size now?
Accepted.
Sorry about that, but yeah, we got our stuff. Now we're heading somewhere else. Thank you for coming along with us. I think we're heading back to the hotel, but yeah, see you guys in a little bit. We are rolling into the OG spot, the OG hangout spot. We're at Gloria's old work. Shout out to Gloria. We're rolling into Aloha Grill for some lunch. Because we are very much the hungry. Yeah, we got a Aloha Grill down there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but.
Alright, I guess we'll park here.
But yeah, we're about to go eat.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some.
And
Macaroni.
yeah, we'll see you guys inside. We'll get to. Yeah. Happy Easter, guys. Happy Easter. We're walking in right now. We are here at Aloha Grill. Hey. What are we doing?
We're gonna get some barbecue.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Hello, YouTube. Welcome to the store.
How's it going, man?
How you doing? How long was the trip?
Very long. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Right now we are at the Aloha Grill. I'm gonna try to speak a little bit faster because I don't want to get the music in. But yeah, we're at the Aloha Grill. We're about to get some short ribs and some sashimi, local made. They kind of twist the poke recipe here, so it's more like the homemade poke. And then mommy has to get herself some, what do you call this? Oh, lilikoi passion. So if you're in town or in Salem, what do you call this place? Tualatin, right? Aloha Grill. Gloria, man, you missed out. Why you gotta go back to Chuk? Yeah? See, now you're not part of the lunch crew right now. We're here to see you, but obviously you're not here, so we're just gonna enjoy the food. All right, we'll see you guys in a few because the music just keeps playing and playing. All right, okay, bye bye. Special shout out to you. Thank you for cooking for us. Yep.
You guys need more straws?
I think we're good right now. Yeah.
I'll get you guys some utensils.
Take a picture of mouth.
Oh, so here's the short ribs. Okay, special recipe for the poke. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. And then everyone is having the short ribs. Ooh. And then, okay, short ribs, okay. Short ribs. And Mars, the Hawaiian boy, the Locomoco.
Hey, did you want to try some of the curry gravy we got? I'll bring some out for you. You sure? You guys enjoy it?
All right, thanks.
Okay.
Excuse me, are you guys gonna pray?
Pray us.
Uh-huh. Huh? Okay. Have it. Thank you. All right. But eat fast, guys, because, like I said, we gotta eat fast because of the music. That's good. Salud.
It's like we're at home. It's working.
So,
You can come out and eat, guys. This place.
oh, that Locomoco looks so good.
If you guys are ever here in Tualatin, Oregon, drop by Aloha Grill. I recommend getting short ribs and locomoco. Also try their fish. The macaroni is really good.
All right, man. I am done. See, when you come here, there's no messing around. Look at my plate. All cleaned up. That's sashimi. It's getting there. You can't beat the Chuki's style of sashimi. So yeah, when you come here for eat or to eat, when you come here for eat, when you come here to eat, there is no playing around. All right.
Shout out to all the workers here at Aloha Grill. Again, if you guys are ever in town, go out to Oregon, stop by Aloha Grill and get you some food. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You guys enjoy the food?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, bro.
Hey, nice seeing you, bro.
Yep.
Yeah.
We are out. A good lunch, would you say?
Uh-huh.
Say,
Yes,
how do you think about the food?
the food was good. Always is, and always will be.
I heard some stories about this place. Former basketball players or Portland Trail Blazers used to come here.
Fine. Oh, welcome. Akarat to ikya.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, Emilio.
Agumadi.
Hey.
Happy Easter.
The person. Call them to come help. Hi, Ting. Hello there, Mama Ketres.
now.
Not the one my mom
Some of our church crew are here. So, yeah, hopefully the rest of them will be coming later on. You've been eating all day from morning till now. Oh, wow! Look at this guy's room.
Can I get the key? I need a
We
grab something after.
what?
I need the key after.
Well, I need to show your room because
Yeah,
your
like
room
after you start our room.
your room is like huge. Oops,
I know it's
let me
huge.
turn this off.
First,
But
this is Rossin and Larson's room.
Wow! I like your room. Yeah, look, let's get some lights.
The middle.
Wow. This is a really, really nice room. Is this your room?
This is Rossin, the Larson.
Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. So, Elson, are you staying with them or?
Yeah, that's the plan.
That's the plan.
That's it, yeah.
All right. All right, guys. I think we're gonna probably end the video for now. Thank you guys for joining us on the first day of our Easter here in Portland or Salem. For those of you that are going to our Easter celebration tonight, we'll be seeing you folks. And then for the rest of you who are watching, just happy Easter, happy Friday, and then happy Good Friday. Please follow us. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and help us out and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share, give us a like, and then also check out our other videos. All right, where are you guys going? Bam, bam, bam. Huh? All right. You want to give us a tour on your room?
Here's the room. Here's the room. And here's the bathroom.
Okay, okay. That's it?
Yeah.
All right, guys. This is. We're all gonna split to the Friday night service. We're all leaving.
So this is the end of the video, a little vlog of going on a little adventure. Going on a little venture, getting our shoes and going to eat out. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the rest of the videos. Happy Easter. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace. We're all leaving. We're all leaving. We are all leaving. See you guys at the church.